This is what my front, air quotes, porch looks like. It's not really a porch, but yeah. This is the main entryway. And this is the foyer hall. I don't know what I'm doing here. I definitely gotta fill these walls up with something. And then over to the right, when you first come in, is the first bedroom. This is gonna be used as my office. It is considered the second bedroom, so it could have been a guest bedroom, but because I got 50-11 jobs, yeah, this is the office. I'm watching McKenna. This closet is going to be my shoe closet, so I'm gonna get some organizers to go in here. It's my record player up there. Still stuff just randomly put in here out the way until I start organizing, but yeah, this will be the shoe closet. This is the view from my office window out to the street. The couch is bigger in the room, which is perfect because it's a smaller sectional. It's just the 2 seats with the chase instead of the 3 seats. So this is about to fit that space like perfect. Because I'm going for a minimalist vibe in this place. I had so much clutter in my old spot. So I'm excited to see how it looks. TVs are always mounted so fast because my stepdad does them. So yeah, that's one thing I never have to worry about when I move. And here is the first bathroom. This is considered the guest bathroom, but this will be for whenever I have company over. And this is also the bathroom that is open to the main home area. But this is the bathroom that everybody will use as guests. So far, it's only been my mom and my sister over here, so they've been using my bathroom in my room, but that's fine. But I like the drawer space in here. I already got some little guest stuff in here. I gotta put the flower liner and curtain up. But yeah, this is going to be my guest sanctuary. Like, I'm going to make this like a little getaway, like a hotel vibe. There's going to be everything you need organized in these drawers. Oral hygiene, feminine hygiene, like skincare stuff. Everything they need if they ever stay here is going to be in these drawers. So I love how the high ceiling is throughout the whole place, including the bathrooms. It just gives it like a more luxury, grand feel. I love how wide the tub is. I haven't had a chance to get in here and clean yet, but it came pretty clean. But yeah, I can't wait to decorate in here and just make it homey. This is my dresser I gotta put together. But this is the coat closet in the foyer hall. I got TV boxes in there right now that are gonna have to get broke down or moved or put somewhere. But it's a nice size coat closet too for people to put their coats and probably a shoe organizer to go at the bottom. Because shoes are a no-go with all this floor. I cannot. I've mopped like 3 times. And I only been here like 3 days. You come through the foyer hall. This is the master suite. This is separated from the rest of the house, which I love. It's like my own little area that can be locked. Nobody can get access to. I live alone, so I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna be locking it, but you know. So when you walk in, this is the little mini hall area. This is the linen closet, which I still have some organizing to do. But I did get some towels and covers put up in here. It's a nice size, for sure. I was able to fit a lot in there. And then over this way is the walk-in closet. This is where all my clothes will be. Again, the shoes will be separated in the office closet. So I'll be organizing this. Look, not the wig just laying there. I'll be organizing this pretty soon because I'm tired of digging in bags to find something to wear. I got rid of a lot of clothes when I moved because I lost a nice amount of weight from last year and I couldn't fit a lot of stuff. And then a lot of stuff was just old and it was time to go. So I got a lot of shopping to do for clothes anyway. A lot of this stuff is like lounge clothes and activewear and stuff like that. But that's the closet. And then this is my master bathroom. It has the Jack and Jill sinks, which I love, even though it's just me that lives here. I love the light fixture in here. Again, the ceilings are still high all the way around, including in the shower. This is like my favorite part of this bathroom. It gives like luxury hotel. It just has like a grand feel to it. As y'all can see, all the cleaning products lined up. I got some cleaning to do in here. I've just been kind of, you know, somebody at the door. But this is the shower. I love how big it is. I love the storage space in the bathroom. I had none at my old place. My bathroom in my old place was probably like this cut in half. It was so tiny, but I made it work for 3 years. But I love the under the sink space. Definitely gonna get utilized for cleaning products. I love the drawers. I already got my skincare up top. I already have like lotions and all that stuff. Of course, I want to get some drawer organizers eventually. I just wanted to get stuff put where it's gonna go, but it's more than enough room for me to organize all my bathroom necessities in here. This is standard medicine cabinet. Nothing in there yet but my vitamins. I just love the heights. Like, the key word for this video is height. Like, the ceilings are insane. My couch is in here, so the echo is not as loud as it was, but it's huge. And then when you come out the bathroom, this is the master bedroom. My favorite part of this is the vaulted ceiling. I just need to get my bed. They shipped half of it, and I'm still waiting for it. My stepdad mounted the TV yesterday. He still got to do the living room, but I like the view from this window too. So I feel like when the leaves changes, it's going to look so pretty. It's a huge amount of space in here. This is a king bed, and I have 2 nightstands that'll fit on each side. Can't wait to decorate because I feel like this is going to be the room where I give it that like hotel feel. So real quick, because my camera is on bull. This is the living room area before they put the couch in. They're actually bringing it in right now. I just love how high the ceilings are. I love how big this accent wall is. That's why I had to get a bigger TV. This is the view from the living room window. Yeah, this is what it looks like before. The furniture is an echo in here. It tells you how much space and height is in this room. The dining area. And also the patio view. This is my old patio furniture from my old place. I want to get something a little more comfortable next summer, but I figured the summer is almost over, so this year I'm just going to reuse this for the last time and then upgrade to something a little more plush next summer. But yeah, this is the empty living and semi-empty dining room. When you come back through the living room, this is the kitchen, which I already got like a lot put up in here. Dishes in the sink, whatever. I got stuff to do still, but I was able to get some stuff put up, like just plates and bowls and all that. But yeah, it's a lot of cabinet space in here, and they are super high. Like, I definitely got to get a little step ladder because this is as far as I can reach. But the storage in here is crazy. I made a junk drawer already. You got to have a junk drawer in the house. Pots and pans gonna go down here. It's just so much space, so much more space than my last kitchen. It has a gas stove, which I'm happy about. That needs to be cleaned off because they just cook so much better than electric stoves. I don't know what's gonna go in this cabinet because cups are going in that one. I'll put Tupperware over here. It's a nice size fridge. Nothing in it yet. Of course, it's liquor already. That's crazy. A few things from the old house I brought over here. The freezer. Just a standard 2-door fridge, water, ice maker. And then over this way, in this hall, this is the pantry, which somebody likes to bring snacks. I bought none of this, except for like the stuff at the bottom. Anything healthy you see in here, I brought from another place. But I haven't been cooking or anything yet because I don't have my pots and pans and I haven't been grocery shopping. But I can't wait to organize this too. And then this is the laundry room, which I'm excited about too because I did not have one in my other place. I used to have to use the one in the building. It's also storage space in here. It's definitely a nice size machine. It's huge in there. And it has more storage space, more closet space, so I can put stuff in here. I don't know what yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be used for something. And then even more space back here. Ignore the clothes and stuff, but yeah, it's a lot of space in here. And then across the hall, and this is just a utility closet. I put my Christmas decorations and Christmas tree in here, the vacuum. It's just a water heater, the furnace, all that. And then in this door is the garage. So it's a 2-car. I still have so much cardboard to break down for recycling. But it's huge in here. Like, it's just big. It's so hot today. Oh my God. It's hot as hell out there. I don't think I went outside. So this is the patio area. I really like the size of it. This from my old house. I'm gonna buy a new set next summer. Cause I feel like the summer almost over, so why do I gotta get a new patio set right now? But this is the view outside. They say it'd be like deer and beaver and like little, like I saw a rabbit when I came in here the first day. It's just be like little animals, nothing like too crazy. Ain't no bears out there or nothing, so